Hello everyone and welcome back. So let's solve yet another very interesting problem on operational rational numbers. So you see the expression is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 15, like this. Four other terms are given. So in place of 3 we can write 1 into 3. Then in place of 15 we can write 3 into 5. It will be 5 into 7. Then 7 into 9. 99 is 9 into 11, and then 143 is 11 into 13. Now see, if we subtract 3 minus 1, what we will get? We will get 2, but in this particular problem the numerator is 1. Here also it's 5 minus 3 is 2, but we have how much? 1. And you can add, if we add them then automatically it will not match. But if you subtract all the term in the denominator, so we are getting 2 each. So what we do in the next step? So I think you have a little bit idea. So to get 2, we have to multiply with 1/2, and then you have to write 2 in each numerator. So it will be 1 into 3, then 2 by 3 into 5. So dividing and multiplying by 2. Then 2 divided by, it will be 5 into 7. Then 2 divided by 7 into 9. 2 divided by 9 into 11, and then 2 divided by 11 into 30. Okay, so half. Now what will be the next step? It will be, in place of 2 we'll write 3 minus 1, then it will be 3 minus 5, this will be 7 minus 5, 9 minus 7, 11 minus 9, and then 13 minus 11 by 11 into 13. Okay, so let us separate them. 3 by 3, 3 cancel out, you will get only 1. 1 cancel out, 1 by 3, then it's 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Like this we have to divide each and every factor. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7, 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9, 1 by 9 minus 1 by 11, and then finally 1 by 11 minus 1 by 13. You see, almost most of the term will be cancel out, like this. 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, these two will cancel out, this term will cancel out. So what we have? We have only 1 minus 1 by 13, right? So half into, after taking LCM, we will get 12 by 13. 2 and 12 cancel out, it will be 6 by 13, right? So you see, the solution is very interesting. So this step is very much important, that you have to multiply the numerator by 2 and divide by 2. So if you understand this particular line, the remaining portion is very, very easy. Okay, so to get such type of more interesting problem, kindly subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, thank you very much for watching.